So in this video, I am going to show you how you can insert a page into a PDF document using Python programming. So hey guys, this is Biswajit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's start with the video. So in my previous video, I have shown you how you can merge two PDFs and create a final PDF. So if you have not watched the videos, I do highly recommend please go and watch them. If you are interested in the whole playlist where I talked about how you can extract text from a PDF, how you can extract images from a PDF, how you can encrypt a PDF, how you can decrypt a PDF, please do follow the whole playlist. I will be pinging them in the I button and also in the description. In this video, as I said, I will show you how you can insert a page. So let's suppose I have two PDF documents. This is the PDF document that I've been using all along this whole playlist. So let's suppose this is the first page, this is the second page. Okay, I want to insert the first page of desert. Okay, I want to insert this first page of desert into the second page of the ocean. Okay, so it should be the ocean, our beautiful blue planet, then this particular image and this particular text. After that, this particular page should be present, the deserts page. Fine. And then this our oceans page will continue as it is. So how I can insert the first page of desert into the second page of the ocean? So that's the problem statement, and I'll show you how we can do that. So I will import PyPDF. If you don't know how to install PyPDF, it's pretty simple. Just do pip install PyPDF. In my first video, I have shown how to do it, so it should be pretty simple. So now, after that, I am going to create a final PDF document object. So final doc object. So this will contain all the final data in object format just before saving the file. Okay, I'll demonstrate what I meant by that. So this will be like a PDF PyPDF dot PDF writer. Okay, so you can also, instead of doing this, we can also do this from PyPDF. Okay, import PDF writer. Okay, this will also work. Let me keep it like this. Fine. So if I do kernel restart, now if I execute and execute, so this looks fine, right? Now I have two PDF documents. If I do ls, so I have two PDF documents that I want to demonstrate, which is the ocean.pdf and the desert.pdf. So I have to open this particular two PDFs in read binary mode. So ocean PDF, okay, it should be open the particular file name, and I have to open that as read binary rb. Let me remove this. Yep, and then desert PDF. You can also use the with keyword, okay, as your wish. I'm going to use the open over here without the with. So now here I will use the desert.pdf comma rb. So let me get some space. And if you want to know how I am able to do it so fast, so I have made a video on using Jupyter Notebook, so I highly recommend please go and watch that. So now let's suppose these are the two PDFs that I want to open. So just to shift enter, and it opened. Now what I want to do is, from the desert PDF, I want to extract one single page, right? So it will be PDF writer dot merge. Okay, and here I have, this should be final doc PDF. Okay, so it should be final doc PDF dot merge. Okay, here there are many parameters. So we have the position parameter, we have the file object parameter, and we have the pages parameter. Okay, this position parameter, it is for the final document. So where we want to insert our pages, so this contains that position. The file object is the actual page that we want to append, and I have the pages argument. It states which pages you want to append. Okay, so for example, you want to append maybe from the first page to the second page, or first page to the fifth page. So you can provide a range, or you can provide particular pages that you want, the first page, the fourth page, the fifth page. So we have that control also. So positions, where we want to insert our page, the file object, the actual page object that we want to append, and pages is the number of pages that we want to append. Okay, I guess that is all about it. So if I do final doc object dot merge, and here I just need to pass the position. Okay, so maybe let's now think about the scenario that I want. We'll be having everything from the ocean document, right? Everything from the ocean, and I just want the first page of the desert. Okay, so how we can do it? So let's extract the desert, that first page of the desert. So for that, final document object dot merge. Okay, instead of giving position, I'll give the file object. File object is the desert PDF. Okay, and the pages that we want is 0. Now if I execute this, it is asking that we need the positions argument, so we'll give the positions argument, which is 0. Now by 0, it means the first page. Okay, it follows array indexing, by the way. So 0 means the first index, 1 means the second index. So maybe I will be interchanging the first and the 0th for some cases, but just remember 0 is the first page. Okay, just the first page. Now if I do shift enter, and if I do final document dot write maybe, and if I do one desert dot pdf, and if I do shift and enter, now if I come to my file explorer, yep, so there is a file called as one desert. Now if I open this should be having only one page, and see, it is having only one page. Now this is the desert. I was able to successfully split only one page. Okay, so here I have one particular page. The desert has many pages, 3 pages to be specific, and I was able to pick out the first page. Okay, so this process demonstrates the splitting, like how you can split the PDF document, right? So we are able to extract this particular page from it. Now I will show you how we can insert this page. So I have one page, which is this page, one desert. Okay, we were able to extract this. Now how I can insert this particular page into the second page of the oceans document over here. Okay, how we can do that? That's pretty simple. Probably you guys have figured it out. So I'll create the final document object, and I will get the ocean PDF. Okay, in my final document object. So it will be final document object dot merge. Okay, positions equal to 1, and maybe positions equal to 0, and the file object will be the ocean PDF. Okay, and I don't need to define the pages. I need all of them. So this document will contain everything from the ocean. Now what I need to do, instead of 0th position over here, I will just pass 1, and that should do it. If I do final PDF 1 dot page insert dot PDF, and it is showing true. So if I go to the file explorer and page insert, right, if I open this, okay, so in our first page we are having the ocean, and in our second page we are having the desert, and in our third page we are again having the ocean. Fourth page also we are having the ocean, and that's it. So that's how I was able to uh, insert this first page of desert into the second page of the oceans. So pretty simple, right? So I was thinking like what is the most effective way of doing it. So this is what came out to be the most effective way. Even though there is another way that I could have done it. Instead of merge, I could have used append. Let's do that approach. So let me close this file streams. I'll again open them, and instead of pass doing this many things, I will just do append, and I'll just pass ocean PDF because we need everything from the ocean, right? And if I do shift and enter, and I'll also copy this particular file, particular function, we have page insert. I'll give page insert 2, and if I do shift and enter, okay, now it is again showing true. File close. And if I open over here, if I open this page insert 2, okay, first page again we are having the ocean, and second page we are having the desert. Okay, we have an issue. Again we are having the desert. There have been some issues, so with the file stream, that's why it was giving us a wrong output. So if I do kernel restart and clear output, so if I also delete the file names, okay, so page insert 2, if I delete both of them, okay, now if I execute this, then execute this, ls, open the file streams, and this is one way how we have done it, and I showed you, and this is the other way. Now if I execute this, so insert pages 2.pdf, so if I open now, if I come to pages insert 2, okay, so first page we have the oceans, second page we have the desert, okay, and third page we have again the oceans, fourth page also the oceans, okay. So I think this is working just fine. In the previous case it was giving us an issue because this was not reset, right? The file doc object already had some data because we inserted some data over here, right? So that's why I had to again rerun this file document object, and eventually I restarted the kernel, so it reset every variables and values. So these are two ways. That's the conclusion. These are the two ways in which we can insert a page into a PDF, right? So I'll keep the video short and simple. So if you like this video, please do press that like button. All the source code, everything will be present in the description below. Please do check them out. If you have any kind of issues, please do ping me in the comment section. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the awesome upcoming programming video.